Product description: Aromatherapy, Herbal High Frequency Steamer, and Ozone. Steam passes through the basket to the nozzle, delivering fragrant aromatherapy and herbal treatment. Has ozone function to sterilizes the steam. Automatic low water shut off. Magnifying lamp, provides 5x magnification under cool white light multi-outlet power supply, all-purpose stainless steel utility bowl, mobile utility cart made from heavy-duty rolled steel, hot towel warmer, and UV sterilizer operated with separate controls. High-frequency, argon gas electrode works on toning the skin. Produces sensation of heat while stimulates blood circulation, kills bacteria on pimples, and helps oxygenate the skin. Neon helps with sensitive skin, usually used with aging skin. Galvanic, enables deep skin cleansing by chemical and ionic reactions. Causes electrons to flow in one direction, resulting in a relaxation response. Vacuum extractor with spray, 3 glass suction attachments to remove impurities and stimulate skin. Also includes mist diffuser to aid calming and hydrating skin. Free shipping on 1-year eMark beauty warranty. Return policy will be executed under the following terms. Returns are accepted under the stipulation it is within 30 days from delivery date, verified by package tracking number. Buyer is responsible for return shipping cost in order to guarantee a full refund. Ships next business day. Silent timer. Ozone Herbal Aromatherapy Facial Steamer, for use with tap water / high frequency, comes with 4 Purple ARGON and 3 Red NEON Glass Electrodes / Vacuum Extractor / Spray Diffuser / Hot Towel Warmer / UV Sterilizer. Galvanic current comes with negative and positive polarity. 3 Tier Ulitily Cart with stainless steel bowl / magnifying lamp. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.